How to factory reset a Sony LinkBuds Series smart Bluetooth speaker in case it is not syncing with the app, it's not connecting to Bluetooth, it's not pairing with your phone. Any kind of issues like this, troubleshooting issues like this, can very often be fixed with this factory reset. Also, if you want to set this up as a new speaker and wipe all of the data, all of the pairing information off of it, this will do that as well. Now, first things first, if the speaker freezes or something like that, you can just hold the power button for 10 seconds and that will force restart the speaker and that will fix a lot of the issues. If that doesn't fix the issue, you're going to need to move on to the actual factory reset, which is going to wipe everything off, which you're going to do by holding the volume down and this quick access button for at least 5 seconds until the speaker turns off. Once that happens, you can wait a few seconds and then turn the speaker back on, and now you'll be setting this speaker up like a brand new speaker, and you can check the link in a pinned comment if you're interested in getting it.